This one is called Home. You would have said that. So this one was written for my parents / Abby's in-laws. So it's very inbred where we're from. And mine moved to North Wales. They love Wales so much that during lockdown they moved right up here. And then we had kids and we got no babysitters. It's really annoying. Great for them.
The timing of it though was a bit suspect. That we said, congratulations, guess what, you're going to be grandparents, and then a for sale sign went up outside their house and they moved to North Wales. It was just really weird, wasn't it? Like they couldn't have moved further away, so that because it's so far from where we live, we can only get like a good once a year big visit in. So I worry that they've done that on purpose, Han.
But you can play on their guilt of, well, not my dad, you don't get. My mum's guilt of, we're not there. So she'll come down for like 5 days babysitters, and then win-win. And our kids get really random babysitters.
But
it was sad when they left a little bit. Okay, so this one was that. It hits me late at night time when I long to see your faces. Places I have never been before, bring feelings I'm now faced with. And if every vision I once saw of future's filled with you, I still can't picture life without you there to live it through. And I know that there's a way to make it work, but show me how. 'Cause I feel like we are drifting, and I need to slow it down. And I'll try to let it go, with the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow. 'Cause you're all I've ever known. You're home. Never knew how much this change was gonna stop me in my tracks. How I failed to realize the fact that there's no room for turning back. I hope that you still know that when I wake up every day, I need for this new life we're heading for to be okay. And everything I own, for every key you've helped me turn. How grief plays out in ways and proves you've loved if you can feel it burn. And I'll try to let it go, with the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow. 'Cause you're all I've ever known. You're home. 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 Know that when we're lost in madness, you're the only thing that matters. Know that when we're lost in madness, you're the only thing that matters. Know that when we're lost in madness, you're the only thing that matters. And I'll try to let it go, with the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow. 'Cause you're all I've ever known. You're